Step 1. Add background. Let's start by creating a new document with dimensions 4.25 by 6.25 inches, resolution 300 pixels per inch, using RGB color mode. Then click Create. Press Ctrl 0 to zoom in. Press Ctrl R to activate your rulers. Make a ruler guide each 2 millimeters in the four sides. Now let's import a background image. I always use place embedded to import image as smart object. Right click and flip horizontal. Adjust it as you would like. Then press enter. Now create a new layer above it. Name it light source. Grab your brush tool. Change your color to a light yellow. Like that, then click OK. On your layer, change brush size, then paint like that. Now change blending mode to overlay. Select both layers and drag to group them. Name the group background. Delete the previous background layer. Step done. Step 2. Design the table. Now let's import the table image. Use place embedded. Double click to import it. Adjust size and position as you would like. Then press enter. Now select the background group and then import the second wood fence image. Adjust size and position as you would like. And then press enter. Now create a new layer between the two layers and name it shadow. Pick your brush tool, increase opacity to 30%. Press Ctrl and plus to zoom in. Use the zoom tool. With the brush edge, start brushing like that. This will add a 3D to the created table. Ctrl 0 to zoom out. Now let's adjust the layer wooden face to match the other. Select your layer and create levels layer. Adjust levels value. Like that. Then create a clipping mask. Create a bright and contrast layer. Create a clipping mask and reduce brightness and contrast. Create a solid color layer. Change color to black. Then click OK. Right click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Change blending mode to multiply. And opacity to 30%. Select first layer, then hold Shift and select the last layer to select them all. Drag to group them and name the group table. Now let's import the grass image. Double click to import it. Adjust size and position as you would like. Select your grass layer and then create a levels layer above it. Adjust levels a little bit to make the grass darker. Select both layers. Then drag to group. Name the group grass. Step 4. Add content. Now let's import the burger image. Double click to import it. Press Ctrl T to adjust position and size as you would like it. Try and center the burger to the artboard. Now let's import the drink image. Double click to import it. Adjust position and size as you would like. Now let's add some shadow. Create a new layer under the two layers. And name it shadow. Pick your brush tool and change its color to black. Decrease your brush size and decrease both opacity and flow like that. Now with your brush, start painting like that. This will add a general shadow to your objects. Decrease the brush size and make more shadows at the edges. Now increase both brush opacity and flow. And with the brush edge, start making the contact shadow like this. You can use Ctrl Z to undo a step. You should try and make the glass shadow less bright than the burger shadow because of the light direction. Press Ctrl 0 to zoom out. With the previous technique, you can import the wood sign image. Double click to import it. Ctrl plus T to adjust size and shape as you would like. Make sure the wood sign is behind the grass group. Now, let's add some text on the sign. Type buy 2, get a collar. Make sure the font is in white. Align the text to the center of the wooden sign. Using the property panel, copy the same settings I'm using. Font, rogue, regular, size 18, leading 20, and kerning 16 points. Now let's make the text blended to the wood. Under blending options, you will find blend if. For the underlying layer slider, increase the black value like that. Now I'm telling Photoshop to hide parts from my text layer where my underlying layer has a gray value less than my slider value. Hold the Alt key to split the slider to smooth out the final blending result. Then click OK. So zoom in to see the effect. Group both layers and name the group sign. Also group the 3 layers at the top and name the group content. Step 5. Add copy and adjustment layer. Let's import the text file. I had made the text file for the advertisement copy to save your time because adding text file is very easy and also it's very time consuming. Press Ctrl+T and center it like that. Every Friday, Munchies presents buy 2 get a cola at 99.99 shillings only. Free drinks, free parking, buy 2 get 1, 15% off for the first order. You can actually double click on the layer to edit the details and the text. Group the text file and name the group add copy text. Let's add some adjustment layer. Select the top layer and create a color balance layer. Adjust color values per each tone. Now add a new levels layer. Adjust all 3 slider values. Add a gradient map layer. Use the drop down menu to toggle it in between the different colors. You can adjust the size by clicking on the icon and then small size. Small list. Choose this gradient map. Then change blending mode to linear dodge. Change the opacity to 17%. Group the layers and name the group adjustment layer. That's it, and thanks for watching.